All right. Then the content of the speech is there's a lot of information on the first point. I thought you had a good definition and quote. I didn't think you were consistent, especially in the middle section, in citing your resources. At the end, there was a little bit clearer citation of where your data came from. So, like I said, not as consistent as it needs to be. There was a good start, not bad at the exit, but in the middle it seemed like we were just kind of wandering around on the subject. I thought that the explanations were okay. You actually had some good descriptions. What you needed are a little bit more explanation and some illustrations to talk about the points that you're discussing. So you've got the one slide, for instance, that shows us, how they're trying to retain one feature and not, the crossbreeding. You get a lot of things that you don't necessarily want to have. Well, give us an example of that. For instance, what does the Tangelo have that we wanted, but what did it bring from the other fruits that were being mixed there that you didn't want? Maybe it's the texture of the skin, maybe it's the sweetness or the tartness, maybe it's vulnerability to an insect or something like that, that those are all things that we wish we could get rid of, and that our DNA, that's the kind of stuff that we would be getting rid of. It stays very abstract. High context messages there, we need to lower the context a little bit and give us something descriptive. And also that would make it more interesting, because otherwise it just sounds a little dry, like we're getting a science lesson that's just being set up here without really giving us something that we can sink our teeth into, although that Tangelo looked pretty good. Some of the presentation, I think, is a little halting at times. Maybe a little bit more practice. I thought you projected fine, but it did seem occasionally that you weren't quite as comfortable going through the material as you might have been. Those are all things we're going to work on more next time, so not to panic. Thank you.